Alright, so the plan was to clean everything off and paint this thing. So I had to clean it anyways, and I really need some needle nose pliers. I don't want to break all the little brackets off on those things. So I'm gonna run to the store real quick and grab the right tool to do this instead of just like fumbling through it. It'll only take a second anyways, and do it the right way. So, kind of hard to see. Man, I only bought one can and I took it to the limit of what one can can cover. I should have bought two. Because this is the chrome type paint, so I think that it's just takes a lot more to get good coverage. And make it look like you've actually done something. I wanted it to be a little shiny instead of just like super dark and black. So one of the other things I did is I set the mounting screws in a rust bath stuff. I used the Rust-Oleum stuff, I think. Anyhow, these were completely rusted, and it is all gone. I mean, it was 24 hours, so that stuff is. It says you can recycle and reuse this stuff. I'm kind of curious about that. So if I pour it back in the container, can I use the same liquid over and over again? Solid catch.